Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to my lawn garden channel. So it's been about 4 weeks since I treated my front lawn with Fusillade 2 and Recognition. And as you can see, it definitely did a number on the Bermuda. The Bermuda is the only brown area in the lawn. The rest is the St. Augustine is green. It did a pretty good job here. It's kind of uh, not as much Bermuda on the left side of my lawn, so you can see but the brown areas are the dead Bermuda. On the right side is where it definitely has there's more of a patch that I had to kill. So it definitely did a great job. And then you can see here as I'm going towards the right side, you can see the um, the Bermuda really got fried. It took about 4 weeks, so it was a little slower than I wanted, but that's just how long it took. But it did a great job. As you can see, it really just burned, basically burned the Bermuda and killed it completely. So I'm probably going to fill in some of these areas with St. Augustine plugs, um, just to fill it in quicker because it seemed like that area of my lawn for some reason has trouble filling in quickly. So I'll probably do that. And then here's the backyard, which is a little bit more of an issue. There was a bigger patch of Bermuda back here. So yeah, as you can see, it fried that too. And then the backyard's definitely more of a project because I had a lot of fungus damage back there that I still have to deal with plugs and just continuing to fertilize. But but yeah, that's another project. This is basically the Bermuda really got fried back here. Did a great job. There were some spots that you can see here, maybe there's a little bit of green that in the Bermuda that, yeah, it didn't completely die back here. So I'm probably gonna maybe spray it again just to make sure it's just dead once and for all. But other than that, I've been really happy with the results. So definitely recommend treating your lawn with this combination if you have an issue with Bermuda. Anyway, thank you for coming by, and this will be the last update because that's the end of the project. Thanks.